Baby Bear's Bedtime. Baby Bear is sleepy. He rubs his eyes. Mama Bear comes to Baby Bear. She gives him a warm bath. Baby Bear splashes in the water. He plays with his rubber ducky. Mama Bear dries Baby Bear with a soft towel. She puts on his pajamas. Baby Bear yawns. He's very sleepy now. Mama Bear rocks Baby Bear in her arms. She sings him a sweet song. Baby Bear closes his eyes. He is fast asleep. Mama Bear tucks Baby Bear into his cozy bed. She kisses him goodnight. Mwah! Baby Bear sleeps soundly all through the night. He dreams of honey and berries.